Big box stores make their money by selling houseplants. When people kill their plants or have unhealthy plants, they make more money because people come in to buy more plants. If your plants are dying or looking sickly, you're not alone. Over the years, I've seen so many people frustrated with their houseplants. Overwatering and underwatering are the two major causes for issues with houseplants. The problem is, when they're overwatered or underwatered, a lot of the symptoms look exactly the same. They'll have droopy leaves or wilty looking leaves that are yellow. It's the same with both underwatering and overwatering, which makes it really challenging to know when it needs water. Truth be told, there's no exact way to know when a plant needs water. Most would say to just stick your finger in the top soil and see if it needs water that way, but that's not always telling you what's happening below in the root system. It could be dry up top and soppy wet at the bottom. Sticking your finger in the soil doesn't give you the whole story. And that's what the big box stores are going after. They want your plants to keep dying so they can keep making more money and selling you more plants. It's a vicious cycle. It's how big box stores sell millions of plants each year. My name is Kim, and I have been into plants since middle school, which is decades. So this is why we invented the Stand With Nature Sea Soil Planter. So you could actually see all of your plant's roots instantly and know exactly when your plant needs water. You can see if your soil is dry, you can check your root system. It's really simple and easy to do, and it'll tell you exactly when your plant needs water. Before you water, just pull out your liner and check to see what your soil is telling you. You'll know whether the bottom part of your soil is dry or not, and that'll tell you when to water. No more guessing when your plant needs water. And once you're done, you easily just plug it back into the planter. And our planters are also eco-friendly. And best yet, the big box stores are gonna hate it because you're gonna have a planter that tells you when to water your plants. You're not gonna have to constantly buy new plants to replace dead ones at the big box store. Go to standwithnature.com and grab one of our sea soil planters. You and your plants are gonna love them. And if you don't, there's a 30-day, no hassle, 100% money back guarantee.